Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust your wallpaper however you want to. And when you're done, click at the top right corner. Now click on the bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!